This video covers the latest features in 4D Additive 1.7. It deals with the creation of support structures in relation to SLMFDA and SLA printing. First, the loaded part is optimally positioned in the build space using the multi-criteria positioning function. Now we perform an automatic generation of the support by selecting the desired parameters, type and density, and the printing process. Support structures are now created at points with an angle of 45 degrees or more. It is also possible to place the support structures manually. To do this, select a few points on the surface of the component and the support will be created automatically. If the support is colored yellow, it is considered stable. If it is colored purple, it could bend during the printing process as it is not supported. To connect the individual supports, select two support strands and click on the bridge function. The control points of the support on the surface of the component can be created by selecting a support strand and setting various points. The support structure will now attack several surface points. The arrows can be used to shorten or lengthen the vertical structure. The support structures of the control points can be changed between volume and surface. Sometimes the support structure is more voluminous, in other cases finer and more dotted. When creating the support manually, you can choose between single support, circle, line, quadrilateral, and arc. Confirm the creation of the support structures using the green tick or the space bar. You can also change the distance between the control points so that the support structure is finer in some areas and coarser in others. By adjusting the maximum angle parameter, you can create areas in which the support is created. If you now select the area selection mode, you can automatically generate different support structures for the areas created. A higher density is required in one area and a lower density in another. These functions will be available with version 1.7 from June 2025.